What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. It's definitely fair to say that the Nike Dunk High has been easily one of the most popular sneaker silhouettes over the last couple of years. The hype has been steadily building since around late 2020, and since then we have seen maybe over 100 different colorways and collabs. One of my absolute favorite Dunk Highs to release in recent history has been that Spartan Green Dunk. Easily one of the cleanest colorways, but right now definitely that pair is out of reach for most people. But not to worry, because the sneakers I'm going to be talking about in this video offer a very good alternative. I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk High in the Cargo Khaki colorway. So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel to all of my long-term viewers, and if you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. Come for the sneakers, stay for the chill vibes, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and for even more content while you're at it, give me a follow on these platforms as well. So in this video, I'll be breaking down this very nice colorway of the Nike Dunk High. We'll get into the quality of this pair, sizing, how to style these, give you some different lacing options as well, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is, the Nike Dunk High Cargo Khaki. So this sneaker released earlier this week in Europe. Do not have an official release date yet for North America. If I do find out, I will leave a pinned comment on this video. Now you guys already know I've been skipping most, if not all, Nike Dunk GR releases over the last couple of years, mainly because I haven't been too impressed with the quality of these pairs, but I have to make an exception for this colorway. This colorway is just too clean. That main color you see here, this Cargo Khaki, it can be described also as an olive green color. It has a bit of brown tones in it. You get that classic two-tone color blocking here with that white leather base. This has easily got to be the closest pair we've seen so far to the Spartan Greens. That Nike logo on the tongue, also done in that Cargo Khaki color, and you also see it finally on the outsole of the shoe. Yeah, what more can I say? These are clean. Most people don't really need a huge sneaker collection. Like all these sneakers I have back here, I know it is completely unnecessary. You can easily get by with like 4 or 5 good pairs that you wear all the time, and this is one of those ultra clean shoes that fit in a rotation like that. The laces that come with this pair does match the rest of the shoe, done in that Cargo Khaki color, but guys, you already know you gotta switch up these laces and throw on these nice beige or cream laces. The green contrasting with the cream is just a match made in heaven. Here I have thrown on my own laces from my shop, Elevate Laces, which I will leave a link in the description for you guys to cop. We do ship worldwide. These high top laces have been selling pretty fast. Can't guarantee whether or not these will still be available when you check, but you definitely need these, because these just take the shoes to a whole nother level. I've told you everything good about this shoe. Let's talk about the negatives, and of course that starts and ends with the quality. And no, even in 2022, Nike has done absolutely nothing to improve the quality of these GR Dunks. This is still some absolutely horrible leather. It's a very synthetic feeling leather. It feels more like plastic. It is what it is, just something to keep in mind when you cop these. And as far as how to rock these, if you are like me and you love to wear earth tone type of looks in your outfits, then these sneakers fit absolutely perfectly in the wardrobe. Shades of brown, green, and beige are gonna look great with these shoes. When it comes to sizing, for me, I wear true to size in my Dunks. For me, these fit fine true to size. I will say these GR Dunks, when you compare to the non-GRs, they do fit slightly different. I feel like the toe box is a bit longer on the GRs, but the rest of the shoe fits fine, so I will suggest you to stick with your true size. Looking at what these are going for right now on the resale market, definitely the prices in North America right now are going to be a lot higher than Europe, so I would definitely suggest my American audience to just wait a little bit before copying. The rest of the world, you already know this colorway getting into the spring and summertime is going to be very popular. The Dunk hype is definitely not dead, even though people seem to say it is. The fact that every single Dunk still completely sells out tells me it's not dead, it's not gonna die anytime soon. I still see the prices on these going up as we head into the summer, so I would suggest you guys now would be your best time to cop. Overall, the Nike Dunk High in the Cargo Khaki colorway, despite the poor quality, this is such a nice colorway that I will say it is a cop, especially if you're one of those guys you really love to put an outfit together. The clothes you have in your wardrobe would really go with a pair like these. And if you're still feeling salty for taking that L on those Spartan Greens, then these are definitely a great option, so give them a shot. If you found this video useful or you just enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, and also if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel and for watching my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.